Look at the size of that thing, dude. It's a piranha.
I'm right now putting together the medication for later on today. That has pills in it. Eat it. Yeah.
Okay, you want to give him his injections?
Yeah.
What is going on, pros? Welcome back to another video. If you remember, I was giving away this GoPro right here, and yeah, I got a winner. Now, first of all, let me thank all like 10,000, 15,000 of you that entered this from my Instagram, YouTube, commenting. So there were so many different comments. I read so many comments, so many DMs, and a couple stood out to me. This one in specific, right here. I'm gonna put it to the side of the screen. You can pause it, read it if you want. A very genuine story, and I chose John Doe. So congratulations to John Doe. Don't worry, I am doing another giveaway in probably the next video. So if you didn't win this time, there's gonna be many more. I'm trying to do this like weekly. Giveaways weekly. I think it would be awesome, giving back to the Cuffaros. Today's video is pretty crazy though. It's a bit different, let's just say that. So let me get on track of what today's video is about. The morning of this surgery, I actually got 2 pills. I put them into a little piece of bread and I fed them to our pig here behind me prior to surgery. Now we have to give him more pills 2 hours before the surgery, but I started off with the 2 pills in the morning. Just 2 pills. See those 2 pills right there? Please eat this for me, pig. I don't want the other one to eat it. That has pills in it. Eat it. Yeah, that was easier than I thought, let me tell you. Keep chewing and eat it, swallow it. Oh, you are feisty, huh, Willow? Oh, doesn't that just taste good? You little foamy mouth. You're getting neutered today. There you go, Willow. This doesn't have medication in it. All right, morning dose, good to go. After doing that, we then made sandwiches, literally pill sandwiches for this pig. I'm right now putting together the medication for later on today, 2 hours prior to the surgery. This is for anxiety and sedation. That's what these medicines are specifically for. So we're gonna make like a little medicine sandwich here. We literally are making sandwiches. And we'll just kind of squeeze that like that, and that's what that pig will eat 2 hours before surgery. And then we got to surgery time. The whole point of this. Taking this pig's out, you know? So we can't have any more baby pigs. That was the whole goal of this. This is the most humane way to do it, like possible ever. This is actually a really cool and educational video. I'm gonna blur out as much as I possibly can to make it, you know, not gory. Thank you all so much for tuning into another video. It's definitely different than normal. Usually we're like hopping around, music, cutting clips. That's probably what this video will be, but surgery. Enjoy.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to give it up to it.
Look how pissed he is. That's how it's done. That was good holding on, man. That was good. That thing was kicking and kicking and he stayed holding, bro. He was not letting go. That was crazy. I thought for sure you were gonna lose him there.
I thought for sure I was gonna get him on his back, but I guess I'm not as good as I thought.
He's a beast though. That's a beast of a pig.
There.
So now he'll just slowly fall asleep, right? But he's just gonna think he's dreaming at some point. And he's gonna wake up testicle-less.
I'm shocked that you guys aren't more flooded here. I can't believe.
Well, I had to bring in a bunch of dirt. Oh yeah, he's starting to stumble already. How long does it normally take?
About 10 or 15 minutes.
And he'll just slump, huh?
He'll just kind of stagger. He's drunken stupor. It'll be a drunken stagger until he just kind of collapses down. But boars fight everything till the end. And so they'll fight it off. And he'll paddle. Like a toddler. Yeah, he'll be like, nah! And then we'll give him his local anesthesia in his testicles. He'll get him because we don't want him to experience any pain. And he's had midazolam too, so he has had an amnesiac drug. So he won't remember any of this. He'll just wake up and go, dude.
My balls are gone.
He's a very good looking pig though.
I said the same thing. He's like a very good looking pig.
Yeah, he is a very good looking pig.
Yeah, dude, he's literally trying to fight it so hard, but his eyes are closing.
Yeah, all he can think about is that food.
When you put it that way.
You are such, oh, look at him stumbling. You're so cute. See how long it takes him to step? Look at him, bro. He's like, again, He has no idea what's going on right now. Doc said that this thing's not even gonna remember what happened. But it's just kind of crazy to watch because I've never done it here at the farm. Look at his legs are crossing now. Usually I bring them when they're a lot smaller, the males, and neuter them at like a vet, and I leave them and then I come back and pick them up. Because all the male pigs on this property, I don't know how many exactly are male, but they're all neutered. This is the only one we rescued at this size, non-neutered. Ended up impregnating the other black one that just had the babies, and now we got to get this thing neutered so that Willow over here doesn't have babies as well. I can't even believe she hasn't, to be honest with you. Even the vet's very surprised.
It's been about 8 minutes.
8 minutes?
Yeah. There you go.
Look at this girl. Willow went under there to get food. I'm trying to hide it so he doesn't eat it, so he doesn't puke like he is right now. All right, you can eat. He's clocking out. He's laying down now, grinding his teeth. He's about to go to sleep.
So, do you want us to trim his tusks as well?
Please, yeah.
Okay.
Oh my lord.
Dude, Buddy's out.
Homeboy.
But he's still blinking.
Yeah, he is deeply sedated.
Want me to drive?
All right.
Ready to go.
Here, Logan, just follow the truck with the...
Si, senor. All right.
Good? I got my cast net back here from last video. And alive, I promise you, it's still alive. Massive male pig. Oh yeah.
Yeah, make sure you're not in the zone.
Yeah. Well, fellas, this is the first time I have ever done pig neutering at the house. In the back of my truck, actually. This dude's slumped. Dude, this would be a great video to put Manscaped in, dude.
I'm gonna measure his blood pressure.
Like a human.
Yeah. We're fancy.
How long is he out for?
Until we give him the reversal.
Ah, that's awesome.
Then reversal will take about 15, 30 minutes.
And he'll just start.
But the midazolam, one of the drugs, midazolam, will last for maybe 90 minutes. So he won't be stressed out. He won't wake up and be super anxious. There you go, buddy. Oxygen reading, please.
How much can we show this without getting demonetized?
But you're over here editing your
making my thumbnail for last video. We got pigs getting surgery. Oh yeah, this is not going on YouTube, dude. Catch back to you guys in like 20 minutes.
And so this is the peritoneum. That's the lining of his peritoneum. So the testicles descend from the abdomen through the lining of the peritoneum into the scrotal sac. And here we go.
Science class.
Here we go.
How long does a procedure like this usually take?
About 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how showy you're being.
So right now you're stitching it.
Yeah, I'm gonna tie. It's a beautiful, perfectly formed testicle.
These are his tusks. We gotta make a necklace or something
Yeah,
out
that's
of
what
it.
people make earrings out of them.
Maybe we should make necklaces.
So we got his reversal here. It's about 3 mLs of tolazoline. It's just going to help him wake up. And we got his antibiotic, which is oxytetracycline. It's going to be long acting. It's going to be in his body for about 3 days. It's going to help him ward off any infections that come with having a stressful event, having an incision on his scrotum, and just being in a barnyard environment. So it'll just help him just stay healthy for his healing process.
I'm putting a few extra sutures in because he is very big. And he's out in a wet barnyard, right? I mean, we didn't know it was going to be a torrential downpour today.
Okay, you want to give him his injections?
Yeah.
They're right over yonder.
Waking up right now.
Waking
A lot
up
better.
faster.
You let me know when we gotta hop in the truck.
Oh, I'm ready to go.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, here we go. This has been a crazy day. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to put in the video. So in that case, I don't know how much you're gonna see. Hey, Suzanne! Oh! Crazy experience. There's obviously a lot of different ways to do this to a pig. This is 100% the most humane. Might be the more expensive, but it's the most humane way to do it.
Yeah, so now that he's neutered, he's gonna lose a lot of his secondary male characteristics.
So like That sheet there.
Yeah.
That is literally a plate. Look at that.
See it right there. That's plate right there, man. Like, that's gonna go away slowly, as well as his face. Like, the tusks are not gonna grow as fast anymore. You can see where we cut them there. It's gonna take a while for those to grow back. They grow much faster if he's still intact, as well as he's in his hairs and everything. He's just not gonna look as masculine.
Did a good job, buddy.
He's also gonna put on some weight. He's gonna get a little chunky, easier.
He's a good looking pig though.
He is a good looking pig. Buddy went from living on the streets to getting 5-star neuters. Look at him. The boys got to pick him up.
Paul, just make sure she doesn't come out.
Get. Just put him in the dry spot.
Yep.
Put him somewhere where it's nice and dry. Oh yeah, look at him. Wow, he's like walking already.
Yep. It's all in the positioning. As soon as I got him on his back, he was much more chill. As soon as he's back on his feet, he's much more awake.
From daytime to nighttime, man. This is a first on the Cuffaro channel, that's for sure. There's a first for everything, guys. How you doing, buddy? He's sitting straight up now. He's gonna wake up slowly. What a day, man. What a day. All fresh water. Gonna fill that up too. That way when he wakes up, he's got a lot of hydration. We got to get him watermelon and everything tomorrow. She said feed him very watery, hydrating foods. He just got done with a nice surgery so that you can't have any babies. Ugh. Sorry, Willow, I didn't mean to scare you, but I'm actually here to talk to your husband. Hey, buddy, look at you moving. Look at you moving. Back there's a little flatter than it was yesterday, huh? Hey, look, I know you don't want to see people right now. You definitely don't want to be around me. But I did what was best for you, all right, buddy? And I just wanted to make sure you were good, you're healthy. You already ate this morning. Got him some fruits this morning, although I'm going to feed him again right now some pellets. The biggest thing was to have some fresh water, and both things are full. So it's time to feed this guy. I just wanted to pick up the camera the morning after to update you, to tell you guys that he's doing absolutely amazing. We actually don't have a name for this big old pig here. So if you want to name our surgery pig, you can do that in the comments. All right, hogs, we all know you guys will just always eat. What was that? What? Dude, they're getting pissed. They're like, drop it already, Paul. There you go. There you go. Come on, come eat. Give us a good sign. You're definitely coming to eat. There we go. Woo! I also gave him a medication this morning as well, and he's not going to be on the 8 pills anymore. He's just be taking the painkillers daily until I'm out of them, and that's it. Yay! Gary, eat! Stop looking at me. Kevin, Mama, what up, Lulu? Now you'll know the drill. A little bit of pig food. Everyone eats. Feed the big pigs. Same old same. Go in there. Over there. Ready for this, man?
I'm ready.
Look at the size of that thing, dude. It's a piranha. Look at that one.
Hey, wait. Should we catch one for the video? Barbless hook, so it won't actually.
You know we've done that before, actually. Really? I've done that. I don't have a rod here, but if you want to see it, smash the like button. We can hook one.
Dude, they're 10 times bigger now, so. I think
there's the dude. Did you see that, dude? Oh my gosh. There's the albino. This is the most epic feeding ever. It's so sick. Right there. See him? There's got to be a lot more, but they're probably going to eat a lot of them.
Is it the orange one? Yeah, I told you.
This orange one down here has been sitting down there. I guarantee you 90% of these things are eaten, and if they're not eaten, they're probably going to get eaten. Oh, that's a good size one. Yeah, that was a good one.
He's deep in the rocks.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
That's a beautiful one. There's another one right there. Something cool about African cichlids is they actually hold their babies in their mouth, like all alive. When they're smaller than that, obviously, but to protect them, they'll be in the mom's mouth and then they'll swim out and go back in. Alrighty. We got a truckload, a truck full. 10 bags of shavings, and that's for our little pig over here. How you doing, piggy? I gotta clean up all this nasty stuff and get mama some new shavings. And look at all the babies. Hey, little nuggets. So this right here is going to be clean in about, well, Logan's unloading the truck right now. Hey, you get back in there. You trying to sneak out or something? Little piggies, you ready? Just like that. Clean house, mama. and babies. I'm gonna hop in here real quick with them. It's gonna take a little bit for these babies to get used to me and to understand that I am not gonna do anything. Chunky Monkey, please come back. Oh, there they go. Bambi, come on. Oh look, now you come over. Now you come over because I got food. That's all you care about, huh? Here, take it. They look so much bigger and like growing up already. It's only been like 2.5 weeks. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. And remember, another giveaway is coming, probably in the next video. So stay tuned, subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow? I don't know. Peace.
We had to kill time. It was raining so hard.
I'm like, let's just...
We went to the movies before we just, cut a pig's